Yeah. So he's back. Suppose I better give him the bad news. He'll be just as heartbroken as I am.
No, that's terrible news, that is. You can't have anything. And you say it went today. God, I only saw it with you with it today, didn't I?
You know, you're a bad liar, you.
What do you mean? What do you mean I'm a bad liar?
Well, come on. I know you're just as upset as me. You're more upset than you're letting on.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I'm really upset over this. In fact, I'm devastated. I'll go upstairs now and have a good cry about it. I'm sorry as well. I'm sorry for you.
Yeah, you go up there and I'll just have a little cry down here.
Yeah, Wayne. I'm devastated.
Oh well, life goes on, I suppose. Just not for me.
Wait, man. Stirred the youth. Wayne's just phoned me up. He's told me, mate. Sorry.
Okay.
Must be fucking heartbroken.
Yeah.
Listen, Wayne, mate. Don't take this the wrong way, I know, but do you think you're slightly overreacting a bit?
What's that supposed to be?
At the end of the day, right, it's only a camcorder, isn't it? Get out! Get the fuck out! No! Calm down! Get out! Well, alright, fucking hell, calm down, will ya? Get out!
Holy Camcorder. It's my baby.
Did you do it? What was his reaction to the "it's only a camera"?
Didn't do it, mate.
So that was that nice, then?
Yeah.
Well, it's a job well done.
Me in tears.
It's a job well done.
Wouldn't have been laughing so much. So here's 50 quid. Nice doing business. So spend it all at once.
Okay, see you, Paul. Alright, I didn't see you there. You feeling much better yet?
Aye, I'm feeling much better now.
Oh, good. Well, I'll leave you to it and I'll just, yeah.
Okay, see you then.
Fucking God. So, feeling alright here? I'll see you back. Shut up, dog! Hi, is that Tone? Is that Tony? Oh, good. Yeah, it's Wayne. No, the other one. Yeah, alright. I wonder if I could lend a couple of your lads. I want the best. Yeah. I've heard you got a guy there called McClowski. I don't care how much he costs. Money is no object. Okay. Thanks. Well, let's see how much better you're feeling after this. Huh? Okay, I'll be there in a minute. Fucking hell, what's this? Who are you?
Excuse me, sir. My name is Michalowski. You were called for me.
Bloody hell, that were quick. Only phoned you a few seconds ago.
That is why they call me Michalowski, because I am so quick.
Oh, I see then. Well, who's this little freak?
Oh yes, I am so sorry. It is the most ignorant of me. This is my son, Pablo. I love the nice man, Pablo. I'm so sorry, sir, but it does not speak much after the accident. You know what I mean?
Bloody hell, he's a little freak, isn't it? How old is he?
Oh yes, sir. He is 25, going on 30.
Bloody hell, he's quite small for his age, isn't he? Huh? This is what I want you to do for me. Down there, turn it right, there's a camera. What I want you and you to do, right, I want you both, right, to go down there and bring it back. You understand?
And do you understand?
Alright, so you've both got it, right. So, go. Toodaloo. See what you're gonna do from this, Wayne.
What a nice man, Pablo. You should speak more.
Right, let's go and see how Wayne's feeling at the moment. Shut up.